Students, we'll start with the next topic, that is sum of measures of an exterior angles of a polygon. Okay, now what are exterior angles of a polygon? That let us see with the help of this figure. Now here this is a polygon. Okay, now these angles are the interior angles, they are inside the polygon. Okay, so this angle E, angle D, angle C, angle B, angle A, these are inside the polygon. Now you can see there are certain numbers written here. You can see this angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 and angle 5. These angles are outside the polygon. You can see this angle is outside, this angle is outside, this angle is outside the polygon. Okay, so whenever you have got such angles which are outside the polygon, okay, then you have a formula that the sum of measures of the external angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Okay, so when you are adding all this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so the measure angle 1 plus measure angle 2 plus measure angle 3 plus measure angle 4 plus measure angle 5 is equal to 360. So let us study example 1. To find the measure of x in figure 3.9. Now suppose this is your figure. Okay, you have got 1, 2, 3, 4 exterior angles. Out of that 3 exterior angles are given to you, you have to find the fourth one. Okay, so 90 plus 50 plus 110 plus x gives you 360. Okay, so when you add these 3 you get 250. So x plus 250 is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 minus 250. Now you remember that when you are solving the equation you transpose it. So it is 360 minus 250, that is equal to 110. Okay, now you have got try this in your textbook. Okay, now for that there is a regular hexagon given to you. Now regular hexagons means there are 6 sides and they are equal sides and all the angles are also equal. Okay, so and I have told you before also that these two angles, angle P and A, have got a common arm, they are linear pair. Similarly A and Q, they form a linear pair. A and R form a linear pair. A and X form a linear pair. A and Y form a linear pair. And X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, these are external angles. While all A's are internal angles and they are all equal because it is a regular polygon. Okay, so if you want to find the measure of exterior angles of this polygon, what you have to do is you have to add all of them. Like you have to add x plus y plus z plus p plus q plus r, which is equal to 360. And because all of them are equal here, these angles also will be equal. Okay, now interior angles, you know how to find out the measure. There are 6 sides, so 6 minus 2 multiplied by 180. So 4 multiplied by 180. That will be the answer of your interior angles. How much total interior angles? Then divided by 6. Okay, so it is 3, 4, 3, 32 and carry over 3. So it is 720. And how many angles are there? There are 6 angles. So divided by 6. Okay, so it will be each angle here. Okay, so 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are. So each angle is of 120 degree. Here angle A, all of them are of 120 degree. So this is of 120. So you can subtract this from 180. You will get 60, or you can divide this 360 by 6. So you will get answer 60. Now the example second. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle is 45. Okay, so you have a polygon whose exterior angle is how much? 45, and you have to find how many sides are there. So we have to divide 360 by 45, you will get the number of sides. So anytime you have to find the number of sides, so whatever measure is given divided by 360, you will get the number of sides of the polygon. Okay, suppose if it is given 60, okay, then 360 divided by 60, you will get number of sides 6. Okay, now turn the page. You got exercise 3.2. Okay, now in exercise 3.2, you have got to find x in the following figure. Now look at this figure. Here there are three exterior angles. One is of measure 125, other is of measure 125, and you have to find this. Okay, so 125 plus this 125 plus x is equal to 360 because all exterior angles are 360 degree. Okay, so x plus 125 plus 125 is 360. So 125 plus 125 is 250. So x is equal to 360 minus 250, that is x is equal to 110. Similarly here, if you look at the figure, 1, 2 measures are given to you. All other measures are not given. But if you see this is a right angle triangle, right angle. So it is 90 degree. Now here also this is a right angle, so this is 90. And because these are linear pairs, so 180 minus 90, this will be also 90. Okay, so we have got 70, 90, 60, 90, and we have to find x. So x plus 70 plus 90 plus 60 plus 90, that gives you 360. So x plus this is equal to 310, and that x is equal to 360 minus 310, so x is equal to 50. Now find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. It is a 9 side, so 360 divided by 9, you will get 40. 15 sides, so 360 divided by 15, you will get 24. Now how many sides does a regular polygon in the exterior angle if the measure is 24? Okay, now this is exactly opposite of this sum. Here you have 15 sides, each angle is 24. Now here you have got, to divide 360 by 24, you will get how much? 15 sides. This is exactly same like example 2. Okay, now how many sides does a regular polygon have if its interior angle is 165? So first 180 minus 165, you will get 15. Then divide 360 by 15, you will get 24. Okay, now these two questions I'll leave you to answer, think and answer. I'll be sending you the answers in the next class.